Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make vanilla ice cream Häagen Dazs style. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna pour the egg yolks through the sieve to prevent the eggy taste. Place caster sugar, whisk until thick and pale, and set aside. I'm gonna place whole milk powder, pour whole milk, double cream, and heat. I'm gonna pour little by little to prevent the egg yolks to cook. Return to the saucepan. Cook until the custard just coats the back of the spoon. And let cool. When the mixture is cold, I'm gonna stir the vanilla essence. If I pour the vanilla essence when the mixture is hot, it's gonna evaporate and become tasteless. I'm gonna put in the fridge to chill. I'm gonna press the pre-cool button and wait for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna pour the ice cream mixture. And turn until the end of ice cream function status bar. As I put the mixture in the fridge, the ice cream maker took less time to turn if I had let it cool at room temperature. The recipe yielded 869 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of vanilla ice cream Häagen Dazs style. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!